Once upon a time, there was a magical kingdom full of people and creatures with special powers. There was a jester who juggled by day and by night. To see a performance was such a delight. Let's find the jester. Uh-oh, this was not the correct one. You did it! There was a wizard with a long white beard, and out of his hat, pink rabbits appeared. Let's find the wizard. Well done! The giant of the kingdom was always asleep. Napping was a commitment he wanted to keep. Let's look for the giant. Find and tap on the giant. Great job! Well, my friend, it looks like this tale has come to an end. You did great! Your friend is fast asleep. Come back tomorrow for more exciting adventures.